When it comes to snacks, peanuts are a great option because they're budget-friendly, delicious, and they always have that nice peanutty taste. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a perfect way to add dessert to your meals. And the peanuts are going to turn out very delicious with a very nice caramel taste. So let's make peanut brittle. You're going to need half a kg of peanuts, which you're going to be transferring to your countertop or into a sinia. Then you're going to be sorting out your peanuts. This is a very simple recipe with only a few ingredients. So I'm going to pick out any rotten peanuts or stones. And it's going to take around a minute to do so. You can double, triple the ingredients to make some more delicious peanuts. And as you're sorting your peanuts, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Also, you need a baking tray. You can use the baking tray that comes with the oven if you're going to be doubling up the ingredients, or you can use a smaller baking tray. I always have some peanuts in the house because my kids enjoy peanuts a lot, and also they're very filling. If you walk by and the peanuts are already roasted, you just pick a handful and you're good to go. Peanuts are usually dusty because once they are removed from the pods, we have a lot of things going on, including drying a little bit. So you're going to be washing your peanuts for around 2 times. And make sure as you're washing your peanuts not to rub in between your fingers because the skin is going to peel straight off. So yeah, see you in a few. This is how your peanuts are going to be looking. So next, you'll need some salt and a 1/4 cup of water, that is 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to add in a heaping teaspoon of salt into my water, stir in until the salt is fully dissolved into the water. Then I'm going to grab my bowl and add in the salted water. Once done, you're going to pick up your prepped up baking tray and transfer in the peanuts. The salt that we added is going to absorb into the peanuts as they're roasting in the oven. So once done, you're going to be roasting your peanuts at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to lay the peanuts in a single layer so that they can roast evenly. When your peanuts are ready, you're going to cool for around 5 minutes. And as the peanuts are cooling, you're going to catch a crackling sound from the peanut cooling off. My peanuts are already cooled. As you can see, it's so easy to remove the skin from the peanuts. And we have a nice roasted color on the peanuts. I'm going to be showing you a very simple hack to remove the peanut skin from the peanuts. So you're going to need a kitchen towel. Then you're going to transfer in your peanuts. Pick the ends of your kitchen towel, then you're going to carefully rub the peanuts on each other like this. And the kitchen towel is going to hold the skin so you won't have a messy counter. We're still getting a little bit of mess here and there. But after around 2 to 5 minutes, the skin is going to get straight off. You have to keep on checking as you are rubbing the peanuts on each other, checking if you have some progress. And continue until all the skin is from the peanuts. Once done, this is how your peanuts are going to be looking, and as you can see, majority of the peanuts are ready. You're going to have a little bit of skin here and there, but it's quite okay. So now you're going to pick a skimmer. This is a kitchen tool that you can't miss in your kitchen. Then you're going to shake your peanuts just like this to get rid of the skin, transfer into a clean bowl. If you don't have a skimmer, you can use a winnowing basket. Go outside and clean your peanuts. And when your peanuts are ready, you're going to need some sugar and margarine together with a pinch of salt. So I'm going to place a frying pan over medium-low flame. Add in your sugar. Within a minute, you're going to notice the sugar melting. It's going to take you around 2 minutes for the sugar to melt, and it's going to get caramelized, get a deep amber color. So at this point, my sugar is starting to bubble, so I'm going to be adding in some margarine. You can also add in some softened butter. Stir in the margarine using your spatula, and remember the sugar is super hot, so you have to be careful not to splash the hot sugar on yourself. As you can see, now we have some nice caramel sauce for our peanuts. So you're going to add in a pinch of salt, not too much, just a pinch. Stir in. Add in your peanuts. Coat the peanut with the caramel sauce. You'll need some parchment paper, which you're going to spread oil, just like this. Coat the peanuts with the caramel sauce, just like this. It's going to get a little bit sticky, but just hang in there. Just use your spatula to mix up while toasting so that all the peanuts can get fully combined with the caramel sauce. The pinch of salt that we added is going to make each bite so delicious, so don't skip on the salt. This is half a kg of peanuts, so if you're going to be making a kg, you're going to add in a kg of peanuts, you're going to add in 2 cups of sugar. When all the peanuts are fully coated with the caramel sauce, you're going to transfer to a prepped up parchment paper. And very quickly, you're going to press down You have to be very fast to spread your peanuts. Then you're going to cut the peanuts just like this before fully cooled down. And it's going to be very easy for you to cut out some perfect squares. When done, you're going to wait for the peanuts to fully cool down, and it's going to be very easy for you to separate the peanut blocks. So don't skip on cutting out while still warm. Don't forget the little layer of cooking oil, because it's going to be very easy for you to separate the parchment paper and the peanuts. Once cooled down, it's easy for you to handle the peanut brittles, as you can see. So I'm going to transfer to a plate. This is how my peanuts have turned out, and as you can see, we have a perfect square, and the peanut brittle is very thick. That means that it's going to be super filling, sweet, delicious, all those lovely words. And yeah, you can gift a friend, or you can make for your guests this delicious peanut